all my beautiful women. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique is the most awaited top, skirt and dupatta. See what I'm wearing. So in this I've got nice new color combinations for you with super duper designs and super duper concepts, so that you can the top is not stitched, the length will be 40, and then the skirt is already being stitched, and then it comes with a beautiful dupatta. Let me start. See, this is a patchwork. I'll open one and show. See, so it has so much of provision for you guys to go stitch according to your measurements. This is the dupatta, and this comes with the exclusive skirt. See this patchwork skirt. Wow, nice, beautiful colors, where the front alone comes with a patch and back it comes a plain ones. Alright guys, and then the second design is this, all nice with a little human touch. You can see all hand embroideries, patchwork, and see this. So this is the top, beautiful maroon color top. See, the color combination is very pretty. This is a very traditional color combination. So it has a beautiful hand embroidery on it. See, so this is the beautiful hand embroidery. It comes with a contrast matching black dupatta, and then comes, I have got one more color in this. It's a beautiful Bengal gram green color with the dupatta. And then see the color matching, lovely colors, all are pretty colors. One can go for 2-3 sets. I really mean it, because the cost is very reasonable, and next month so many pujas are coming, dandiyas are coming, so practice. So this is pure cotton, and what to say, it's very suitable for our Indian climate. So even if you sweat a lot, it absorbs, so it's very pretty in that way. See the color combination, and yes, I have got a beautiful, in this I have only one I think, and then comes this, it's a patchwork, lovely colors, so beautifully designed. This comes with a top with a dupatta, and then you see pink color patchwork skirt. The skirt is already being stitched. The length will be 38, and this is also 38 waist, and pins are there, provisions, and then you can make it tight however you wanted to. If somebody needs extra height, for example 1 inch, you can just take it out and make 1 inch extra height. So, and then I have beautiful colors in this. See, all lovely colors. Lovely peacock blue with maroon, and then comes this beautiful milk rose color. See, this color is so nice. Combination is very pretty in this lovely color. And then I have got a hand embroidery. These are all hand embroidery stuff with a patchwork on it. See, this is the skirt. All comes with a cross cut skirt, so that the flow is so good. Alright, and this comes with a beautiful dupatta, and then comes this patchwork which I have already shown, and see, this is the top and dupatta, and then see the skirt. So nice, amazing ones. These are all lovely color combination, bright. So whoever wants bright color can go for, whoever wants subtle color can go for. So we have mixed and matched the combinations. It's very nice. You can see this, and then see the dupattas is this, and see with the pinkish orangish what to say, this color is so nice. See, the combination is very pretty in these. Alright, and then comes this. See this. So I have got beautiful color in this, 1, 2, and then 3. I'll open this green color. The combinations are too good in this. So for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which will straight away leads you to that page. Alright, and then this is the dupatta. See this orange color skirt. All love skirts, especially young girls. My God, you look really awesome in such skirts. Just grab it and flaunt it with your school friends and college friends. See what we have got from Shivani's Boutique in that way. Alright, see nice new patterns with new colors concept we have introduced. Last time we got really a great response. We kept receiving lots of mails, ma'am, when are you going to update skirts? It was really good. And one more thing, whatever right now I am showing at this moment, everything is available in the website. Whatever gets sold out, within one day or within half a day time, we will remove it from the website, so that so many were asking where are the stuff which you were showing at that time. So this is why after sold out we will just remove the products. So you can see all this hangings, and then this comes with the beautiful dupatta. See, I've got pretty colors in this bottle green color with a nice ikat printed skirt with a beautiful dupatta. And then comes this same to same concept, same dress, same one. So this is what it is, and this is the skirt, and this is the dupatta. Alright, and then comes the see. This is a pink with green, purple, violet color, and this is the purple color. I'll open this purple. Purple color is very new nowadays. It's once again coming into trend. Whoever loves purple color, see the combination, how it is. So nice. Lovely. Even I love showing these stuffs to you all. It has come out really great this time. And then it comes with the contrast matching dupatta. And then you can see color combination. See this violet with the pink color. Alright. And then pink with a beautiful, see this green, leaf green color combination with the patchwork. And then comes these. So many are to show, so that you have plenty of choices to grab your color combination and design. This is the top matching, this is the dupatta, and then this comes with the beautiful hand embroidery. Alright, and then this I have already showed, comes with the color, right? And then comes this, see this, with a beautiful patchwork on it. This is the dupatta. I'll open the skirt and show. The color combination is too good. Just tell me which color you don't like in these, whatever I showed you. So this is how it is. If you have any enquiries, please mail to us so that you can get a reply from it. Alright, and then this is one more beautiful blue with a beautiful pink color skirt, and then with the dupatta. And then one more which I have already shown is this. Alright, and some of the concept which I wanted to show you is this. If somebody wants only skirt, it's a bandhani skirt. So, but this comes only with a skirt. It's a bandhani printed skirt. Alright, this is not original bandhani. It's just bandhani printed skirt with an elastic. If you want to go only for skirts, you can go for. And then I have got this. These are all really a casual wears. It's a crushed type. This comes with only with skirts. And then one more concept I have is, this is real bandhani skirt. See this lovely bandhani skirt with a gota patti down there, and then it has a beautiful dupatta. It's a South cotton handloom dupatta with works. You can see these machine embroideries, and then we have got the blouse. So this is the blouse. So for this blouse measurement I have mentioned in our website. You can choose accordingly, where we have got little provision, 4 inches provision inside. See, you can see, so that you can make it tight or loose however you wanted to. So we are done. Just go to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads you to that page for you to shop with Shivani's Boutique. Beautiful, colorful, wonderful, exciting skirts are available just for you. Just grab it. We'll meet you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.